For our Christmas in July video, we have an Advent calendar. This is the FortuneCookieSoap Advent calendar from 2024. Yes, their calendar was delayed in shipping due to circumstances beyond their control, and so it came in April or May, and I decided to just hang on to it and make Christmas in July. So here we go. The theme is the Nightmare Before Christmas, so there were a couple of stickers. This is the Pumpkin King Enzyme Facial Mask. It smells wonderful. Unfortunately, I can't use it because it has nuts in it. So I might try it, and we'll see if Jeff will try it. And on their website, you might not find these exact items, but the base products for these items are all the same. So if you're looking for an enzyme mask, you might want to check it out. And the notes for the scent on this one: pecans, vanilla, clove, and cinnamon. Anne is most excited for this one. Yes, this is Halloween Town leave-in conditioner, and the scent is bubblegum. Yeah, bubblegum. It smells lovely. I cannot wait to finish up what I'm using so I can get to try this one. And keep tuned to our channel because we have a leave-in conditioner battle. There's a whole playlist and everything. This is the Sally Perfume Oil. Its scent notes are cotton and leaves in the wind. I've taken a little sniff and I'm kind of on the fence as to if I'm really going to use this one or if we're going to pass this one along. This is the Zero Cuticle Butter. I think the dog is kind of cute. And the scent notes on this one are peppermint and spiced pumpkin. This is the Oogie Boogie Fortune Cookie Soap with a scent of berries and cinnamon. I don't like bugs. Ick. Sure you don't want some? Yep, I'm positive. But it's shaped like a fortune cookie. Even has a little paper thingy sticking out, the paper that you get that tells you your fortune. And then, yes, Oogie Boogie and his bugs. This is a 4.5 ounce container of What's This Body Glaze. Yes, this is definitely a good size. Normally, their advent calendars are deluxe sample sizes. They swapped things around, again, circumstances beyond their control. So we didn't get 12 items, but we did get some things that are full-size products like this and the leave-in conditioner. So it is what it is. We're glad to be able to share this with you now. We do have a link down in our description box if you're interested in trying out some of their products or subscribing to one of their boxes. And the scent notes on this, well, you've got the paper. Very true, very true. The scent notes are pear, brown sugar, maple butter, and honey. Oh, that does sound nice. Yes, it does. This is a bath bomb that has the scent of patchouli and musk. So this is definitely going to get passed along. It's not my favorite scent, yet I have to say they do an awesome job of making things look so realistic. This is Sandy Claus Bath Oil with a scent of chocolate and milk and something else, but Anne's probably going to pass this along. Yeah, I'm a strange one. I did take a little sniff, and boy, is that chocolate scent strong. And I'm the strange one. I really don't like chocolate. So I probably will be passing that one along. Chocolate, chai, milk, and cream. This is the Lock, Shock, and Barrel Room Spray. And will probably also get passed along because I think the scent said something about Oh dear, I forgot. The scent notes are pine cones, apple, and cedarwood. And I took a little sniff, and the cedarwood and I just, it does not work well with my allergies, so this will also get passed along. But it got some neat gifts out of here that you can share with others. Yep, and we don't mind sharing. So what did you think? Did you see something that you like? What was your favorite? Oh, probably the leave-in conditioner and, oh my, probably the leave-in conditioner and the body glaze. Those would be my two favorites. How about you? Let us know, let us know. I'm an inquiring Carol. I want to know all the details as we sit here for Christmas in July. And a quick look at the nitty-gritty. Granted, I don't know what they're planning for a 2025 calendar. I'm pretty sure they're going to do something. This was the 2024 calendar. It was $80 with a value of, can't read my own writing anymore. I believe that's $150. Yeah, I think that's what it says. It's been a while since I ordered this in October of last year. That's when they normally put up their advent calendars for pre-order if anyone is interested. They have a really great Facebook presence. If you're interested in anything from them, join one of their Facebook groups. They have a really good Facebook presence and are very intrigued and interested in letting everybody be known what's going on since they've had a couple of bumps in 2024. Yeah, they hit the small business slump and they're getting back on track. So anyway, thank you for taking the time today. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell, share with your friends, all that fun stuff. And happy Christmas in July.